How to do smooth image slide effect. To begin, I added a video and image to my timeline, and I want to create a slide transition for image. With your image selected, go to Effect Controls panel. Move the playhead to where you want to start the transition and decrease position first value until image is not visible on the screen, and click on stopwatch next to position to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and increase position first value until you see image in the middle of frame. This will create the second keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want to slide image out of the frame and click on this circle button to create a keyframe with the current value. Then move the playhead a little forward and increase position first value until image is out of the frame. Now we have this nice slide transition, but is not smooth. To smooth the transition, select the first two keyframes, right-click on one of them and select Temporal Interpolation, Ease In. Next, select the last two keyframes, right-click on one of them and select Temporal Interpolation, Ease Out. Now our transition is much smoother. You can change transition duration by changing the distance between keyframes. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.